Hello and welcome to the Art of Still Life Styling. My name is Erica and today I'm going to be sharing with you the top 5 things you need to have in your styling kit as a still life stylist. Number 1, pins. There's many different varieties of pins, but we use these right here with the yellow ball on top the most. Number 2, pliers. We use pliers to cut the tops of the pins off when we're done styling. And number 3, tissue paper. We use tissue paper to add volume to clothing when we're doing laydowns, even pinups. We also use it to stuff in handbags, shoes, and so much more. And number 4 is monofilament. Monofilament is also called fishing line or string, and it's mostly used when we're styling handbags to hold the straps up. And lastly, number 5, tape, specifically paper tape or gaff tape. And there you have it. That's the top 5 things you should have in your styling kit as a still life stylist. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and follow the Art of Still Life Styling for more.